Okay, I done gone and did it. I done gone and done it. I done pulled the K33-E Woofer out of the cabinet of the Klipsch Lascala. There's the top over there. And just a couple wires, disconnected it, reconnected it to the crossover here. All right, let me turn this way. And it's dusted to death, full of dust devils all inside the groove. And if you move the comb, you can hear it creaking, just creaky. I wanted to blow this air off here, and I thought the dust off before I do that. Let me just get some video of it. I think I'm gonna need more than just air. I need a vacuum. Okay, well, that's gonna take a little more work, and I don't want to damage anything. But I just had to see, because it's only the right channel speaker, only the right front that vibrates and shows distortion. The left is fine. So I just had to see. So the project continues. Otherwise, I mean, it looks okay. But all right, come on. Get the focus to work here. It looks okay. Come on, can't focus. Or is it just dust? There we go. It looks okay. It's just got some distortion. I think it's in the spider. Right up in there. Because it creaks only at about somewhere between 80 and 100 hertz. Well, I done gone and done it now, so I've got to look a little closer.